In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an extra page to a DocuSign envelope. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're in, choose Start or select Send an envelope, depending on what appears in your version of the dashboard. This takes you into the sending workflow where you can prepare the files that need to be signed. Next, upload the document you want to send. After that, add your recipients, then select Next to open the document editor. This is the area where you'll review the files and place any fields that recipients need to complete. If you need to add an extra page to the envelope, select Add Document. Then upload the PDF that contains the additional page. It's important to understand how DocuSign handles this. The uploaded file will be added as a separate document inside the same envelope. In the standard web interface, DocuSign does not currently let you insert a single page directly into the middle of an existing document. So while the extra page can absolutely be included in the envelope, it will appear as its own file unless you combine it with the original PDF beforehand. Once the upload is complete, review the documents in the envelope and confirm that the new document is included. This is a good moment to check file order, page visibility, and make sure nothing was missed during upload. If the added page needs a signature or any other information, select the appropriate recipient. Then drag the necessary fields onto the added page, such as signature, initials, date, text, or any other required field. After placing them, review the layout carefully so everything is on the correct page and assigned to the right person. If you need that added page to become part of the original PDF, rather than stay as a separate document, you'll need to combine the files first using a PDF editor before uploading them to DocuSign. That step happens outside DocuSign, but it's the correct approach when the page must be physically inserted into the original file. If the envelope has already been sent, but no recipient has signed yet, open Agreements, select the envelope, and choose Correct. From there, you can add another document to the envelope, place any required fields, and then select Correct again to finish the update. Finally, review the updated envelope, then select Send, or continue with the existing signing process. As a last check, verify that the recipient can see the added page or document properly. Thanks for watching.